The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. I cannot say whether things will get better if we change. What I can say is they must change if they are to get better. Your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change. The price of doing the same old thing is far higher than the price of change. To exist is to change. To change is to mature. To mature is to go on creating oneself endlessly. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars, to change the world. To improve is to change. To be perfect is to change often. There is nothing permanent except change. Of course, there is no formula for success except perhaps an unconditional acceptance of life and what it brings. Continuity gives us roots, change gives us branches, letting us stretch and grow and reach new heights. When it feels scary to jump, that's exactly when you jump. Otherwise, you end up staying in the same place your whole life. And that I can't do. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. Any change, even a change for the better, is always accompanied by drawbacks and discomforts. We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sail to always reach my destination. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. Just take any step, whether large or small, and then another, and repeat day after day. It may take months, maybe years, but the path to success will become clear. Become a student of change. It is the only thing that will remain constant. Your desire to change must be greater than your desire to stay the same.